Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video will be seen and shared. Sling Driver once again, bringing you a couple of watches that I do not own for review. Obviously, just review, can't unbox what doesn't have a box. These watches were loaned into me in a care package from my friend and fellow YouTuber, Random Rob. He loaned me several watches in one box. These two were part of it, and I wanted to get these two watches in particular in because A, I find the watches to be very interesting looking, and B, I wanted to try a little experiment because I saw these watches on his channel and I wanted to try something with them, which is why we have the strap tool. Don't worry, I will return the watches back to the way they were before I return them to Rob. But I want to look at something. I want to try something. Now, these are both G-Shocks. They are exactly the same watch except for, obviously, the color. The blue one here is model number GA2100HC-2A. The green and orange one here is GA2100HC-4A. Other than that, they are exactly the same watches, same module, same measurements, same everything. So we'll concentrate on the blue one since blue is my favorite color. Nice light on these things, big bright LED. They have that, what's been referred to lately as the Casioak motif, the faceted, eight-sided watch case that is reminiscent of the Royal, AP Royal Oak. And they've done a lot of watches with this faceted stop sign-like case, and they're all collectively known as Casioaks. They are really nice watches to wear. They make great everyday watches. I'm going to put one of them on here for you. Very comfortable. If you hear a rumbling of thunder in the camera, it's because we're about to have our bout of afternoon thunderstorms here in Central Florida. But you can see these Casioaks fit very well on my 7¼ inch wrist. Very short lug, obviously, and the strap is pretty much integrated into the lug so that it just fits very nicely. The watches are a bit big around, so if you have a smaller wrist, this may or may not work. You have an analog time display, obviously, here. This subdial tracks the day of the week. You can see it's pointing to Saturday at the moment, and when it flips to Sunday, it'll rotate around fully. You have your calendar, day and month and day here, and running seconds here. And when you flip through the modes, it changes the digital display. So you have world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, multiple alarms, and then back to time. So you get all the functions of a typical G-Shock square, just in a slightly different package. My sheet of facts here, which we'll go over real quick before we have a little fun with the watches. They are, I'm not going to read the part numbers again, but I have the blue and the orange-green one. They're essentially the same. 45.4 millimeter diameter case, 11.8 millimeter thick, 24 millimeter lug, 48.5 on the lug to lug. It's a 200 meter water resistant, all resin case, all resin strap, mineral crystal, Only metal on this thing, well, other than the case back, is the stainless steel buckle. Uses the 5611 module. It is also part of the carbon core guard family of Casios, which is relatively recent. Now, why do I have the strap tool? Well, for the astute college football fan among you, you will notice that these colors are green and orange, which are the Miami Hurricane colors. I despise the Miami Hurricanes. Sorry if I lose a subscriber or two here, but Miami Hurricanes are not my favorite team. My favorite team is the Florida Gators, which the Florida Gator colors are orange and blue. So I was thinking, just for the hell of it, I got the forks on the other end. So just for the hell of it, I wanted to see if I can do this. I'm going to take advantage of the quick release spring bars and see what this watch looks like with the orange strap on it. I'm not going to put the blue strap on the green watch head because, why bother? I'm just going to be taking it all apart again anyway. Although blue and green are the colors of my favorite minor league hockey team, the Florida Everblades. They play in the East Coast Hockey League, the ECHL, which is down in Fort Myers, not far from me. I got the fork here, so I'm going to take these blue straps off. I'm having a look around the camera here, so bear with me. Oops. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it is raining pretty hard out there right now. Okay, so the blue straps are off. And let's see. Well, I wish I had paid attention to that. No, so we'll put the orange strap back on. This is the hard part, right? Not as good at this as I thought I was, am I? There's one, but nope, there's not one. Dang it. You can see the comment section blowing up right now saying, you don't know what you're doing. Well, I do know what I'm doing. I just don't know how to do it on camera. I think I got it. Hold on. No, it's temporary anyway. Anyway, there's one side. Let's see if I can get the other side. Not looking too much like an idiot. This plan sounded so much better in my head than it does actually trying to accomplish it. Now, I guess I'm not going to get to accomplish this. Ah, the hell with it. I ain't gonna get it done on camera. It'd take too damn long. So we'll call it a glorious fail, right? I'll try it one more time. The hell with it. But you can see that I think the orange and the blue combination looks pretty good. I like it. Wish I could actually put it on for you, but I don't know. What do you think? Do one more shot? Lights are flickering out there. Ah! I got it. How about that? Look at that. Perseverance. I look like an idiot, but what the hell, I did it. It only took 7 minutes, right? I like that, though. I like that a lot better. I'm going to put that on. Hang on. I don't know if I like it good enough to buy both watches, and, you know, they're about $110 a piece, so... You know, I don't know if I would like it enough to buy both watches just to swap the straps out, but I think that looks pretty damn good. I like that. The orange and blue combination. You know, orange and blue, I mean, my friend Jason from Design Atelier will tell you that orange and blue are natural color combinations from a engineering and design standpoint. So I think that looks a hell of a lot better than that combination. You know, looks a hell of a lot better than orange and green, that's for damn sure. So I'm gonna wrap the video up before I continue to make an ass out of myself. But I enjoyed doing that on camera for you. I hope you enjoyed seeing me fumble around. But hey, I did it. It's done. So kind of hard to do when you're looking around the camera and stuff, but I did it. So I hope you found this video to be entertaining, informative, useful in a way. Hope you had fun watching it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I definitely would appreciate that. It's the first time I ever did a thing like this on camera, live. Well, no, wait, I did the exhibition case back on that Seiko, so only the second one I ever did. So I hope you enjoyed it anyway, so please give me that thumbs up. It definitely helps out with the YouTube search algorithms and gets more people to come to the channel. Comments, questions, suggestions down below. I do read them all. I do respond to them all, and in this particular video all I ask is be kind. If you can. I will delete the overly nasty stuff, the trolling stuff, and the links to the bad places on the internet, and I will block the commenter. But you know, a little good-natured ribbing I can take, of course. If you're new to the channel, of course, welcome. I'm glad you found the channel. I'm not nearly as much of a klutz as this video makes me out to be, but I'm glad you're here anyway. Feel free to watch as many videos as you want. I got over 500 of them at this point. All I ask is that Before you leave the channel, stop watching, click that red subscribe button down there in the lower right. And when you do that, click the bell icon that pops up next to it, so that when I upload new content, you will be alerted to that. And when I do live streams, which I do every Wednesday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and at other times during the week as time and opportunity avail themselves to me, you'll be alerted to the start of those live streams, and you can come over and we'll have a chat. Meanwhile, as I've been saying on all my videos lately, it is a crazy old world out there. A little bit dangerous, but full of wonder. So, while you're searching out the wonder, I ask you to be safe. Be careful. Watch yourselves. I'll see you soon.